Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Newmar Dutch Star 4327. This is a new floor plan for 2018. There is a whole lot to see. Quite honestly, it's one of my personal favorites. Let's go in and have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2018 Newmar Dutch Star 4327, you have got a rather cavernous bathroom here in the back. Just check out all the usable space you've got. To start with, in terms of features, you do have the oh no door. This is a Newmar feature. If you do have one of those, oh my gosh, I gotta get out of here quick moments, all you gotta do is flip this latch, throw the handle, that door will fly open and a ladder will deploy, allowing you to exit the coach safely. Check out the wardrobe in this coach as well. As you can see, there is no shortage of usable space in here, and that goes all the way across the cab. There's even plenty of space back in here, extra shoe racks and stuff like that, and we've also got a safe right down there as well. As we look into the rest of this, you do of course have his and hers bathroom sinks. You've also got a very generously sized medicine cabinet complete with 110 power inside. Very forward thinking for Newmar. And then of course vanity lighting up top to complement the lighting that you already see here. In the shower, something that you'll see starting on Dutch Stars with Newmar coaches is the ability to have a place to sit. That is going to be a major feature. And then also in this Dutch Star, you've got another feature. This is what's called a water miser, or the shower miser. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see from that diagram real quick, basically this has got a hydronic heating system on board, and what that shower miser is going to do is continuously circulate hot water through the pipes. That way when you turn that power or that water on, you're never going to have cold water coming out. No waiting 20 to 30 seconds for the cold water to drain the pipes. Very innovative feature and something you'll definitely find on these Dutch Stars. As we work out into the bedroom a little bit, you will notice the beautiful accent lighting on either side here. This is going to feature a king-size sleep number bed. You do of course have 110 power and USB on either side of the bed, so easy to charge those cell phones, charge those tablets, use CPAP machines, whatever the case might happen to be. Another thing that's worth noting, we can easily point out here in the Dutch Star, you're going to have KIB lighting. This is multiplex wiring, and that's going to basically allow you to control the lighting from pretty well anywhere in the coach. Another beautiful thing about this is that this is a full ceramic tile floor, as you can see, and it's heated as well. So no waking up in the morning and having cold tootsies. This will be very, very nice to have. As we work out, we've got our little half bath here, and just check out the amount of usable space we have in here. They've really done a great job redesigning this. You've got your master fuse panel, electrical panel up there, so no worries about going out in the coach with a flashlight if something goes wrong. You got plenty of storage here on both sides. Got a great little medicine cabinet up here too, once again complete with 110 power. Vessel style sink gives you plenty of room for storage down below. As we work our way out, moving into the rest of the coach, we do of course have this area set up for washer and dryer. As you can see right now, we've got storage in here, adjustable shelving. This is pre-plumbed and wired for washer and dryer though. So if you do want one, we do of course have a full service department, and we can install one for you very easily. Pantry, starting with a Dutch Star, this is going to be fully lit. These trays do of course slide out as you would expect. These are full ball bearing slides, and these are fully adjustable as well. Residential style refrigerator, and then as we work our way out into the rest of the kitchen and living space, one of my favorite features is this right here. This is a freestanding table, so you can literally move this table anywhere in the coach. Makes for great flexibility. You can use this as an extra island in the kitchen for prep space if you want to have a tailgater and put the table right out there so everyone can pile around the food. Easy to do as well. Moreover, this has the ability to convert to a good workstation. Got a spot there for the keyboard. You've also put a laptop there as well. You've also got a great spot up there to run wires if you are going to mount a monitor up here. Down below, you've also got a great little space for the printer. That is of course on an adjustable shelf. And then on the opposite side, we do have a file drawer. Perhaps the best feature about this, for those of you that know the Newmar product and have seen my videos before, you might notice that this is very eerily similar to a 4369. The biggest difference between this and the 4369 is this massive kitchen. 4369 is great, but this one, if you are a foodie and you're a cook like I am, you're gonna love this kitchen. You do have, of course, double basin sinks. These are solid surface, and this one, as you can see, is a lot bigger than that one, so great one for washing, great one for prep. You do, of course, have loads and loads of storage space up above. Just check out all the storage you have above and below. You've also got a little bit of extra storage back here, so perfect for bread, perfect for those little items that you really don't want to have go sliding all around. This coach has also been fitted with the all-electric option. So removing these, and as you'll note, those are cutting boards underneath, so again, good forward thinking from Newmar. But now you've got your true induction cooktop. So 2 burners, as you would expect. What makes this a little bit more unique is that you can actually take this out. So if you're having a big fish fry and you don't want to have everybody tracking dirt and stuff into your coach, simply unplug the 110 power from here and use it to plug into the 110 power supply outside. No worries. As we move a little bit more into the living space, you do of course have flex steel furniture throughout the coach. You've got a fold and tumble there. You've also got dual recliners here. These are wall huggers and featuring ultra leather, and son of a gun, these are just as comfortable as they can be. Flip that switch there and you're going to have your televator TV right on up, as well as your Bose soundbar up above. Moving on into the cockpit of the coach, this is of course going to be featuring the Rand McNally navigation system. You are going to be featuring a Freightliner chassis. This is going to have a 450 horsepower Cummins 8.9 liter, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, 15,000 pounds of tow capacity in the rear. And then from here, the biggest thing with all Newmar diesels, of course, is comfort drive. And that is basically an electronic assist to the power steering that's already on the coach. It is going to make your drive just as dreamy as can be. It's going to take all that white knuckle experience away. If you'd like to learn more about comfort drive and what it can really do for you, give me a call. I would love to go over a very detailed presentation with you so you can make an informed decision. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right on the outside of this brand new 2018 Dutch Star 4327, check out this beautiful paint job that's on here. Full body paint, as you would expect. Newmar, of course, uses BASF paints. They are literally the best of the best. As we go around, you'll also note right at the very top, you've got those 2 gigantic Girard awnings up there. Those are going to come right out about 8 or 9 feet. They're going to just give lots of shade and lots of space. You've also got a whole bunch of storage space down below. This is a great opportunity to really be showing off that Newmar Star foundation that makes their diesel coaches and chassis so strong. You do, of course, have a full pass-through storage bay here with a slider tray. You've also got another big slider tray out here, and just look at how easy it is to make those move. They're really quite effortless. You've also got a Dirt Devil central vacuum cleaning system on board as well. The attachments are up front, and basically plug that in. You can put the duster on there and you can do all the vacuuming and dust your coach in about 20 minutes. It's really that simple. As we move on, you can see this is kind of that door that I was talking about before. So as you can see, this door will open and there will be a ladder that slides out if you have an unfortunate moment. Great feature about the Dutch Star, I told you about that 8.9 liter Cummins engine, and this is, on a Dutch Star, a side drafter. So basically your cooling system is all the way over here on the other side. This gives you full access to your fluids, your filters. If you needed to do something on the road, like change your serpentine belt or something like that, it's again really easy because you've got ready access to your engine. No worries. Great feature to have. Last thing to show on the outside, a couple things really, is check out the simplicity of this wet bay. One of the beautiful things about it is that you've also got that gasket right there. It's going to allow you to put your fresh water hose in there, keep this door locked up and secure, basically keep insects, little critters and stuff like that out. You've got the same for your power connection as well. All of these, as you can hear that, are etched into place. So that is going to fix it so you don't have to worry about stickers coming off or anything like that ever. This is really very well organized, very simple, it's very user friendly as well. Last thing to point out with this coach is that you do of course have your Oasis system on the outside as well. That's going to provide continuous hot water. That's also going to provide 55,000 BTUs of heat for the inside of the coach, and that will of course run on diesel and electricity. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful Dutch Star 4327. For those of you that are familiar with the Newmar product, I'm sure you know there's a lot that I haven't had a chance to go into great detail with. Please give me a call. I'd love to have a conversation with you so that you can make an informed decision with you and your family. Feel free to use that contact information below, or if you'd like, feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.